We begin with a developing story. 2 people were killed after gunmen opened fire on mourners attending a burial at the Meadowrest Memorial Gardens in St. Catherine this afternoon. It's understood that they were attending the burial of a woman from Seaview Gardens, St. Andrew, when sometime after 2 p.m. gunshots rang out. When the shooting ended, it was discovered that 4 persons were shot, 2 fatally. One of the victims has been identified as 27-year-old Shanice Dean. The identity of the other deceased person hasn't been released. The 2 injured persons remain in hospital in critical condition. A resident from the community raised concern about shootings at the burial site.
Force on this road because every minute something turn up. They have no security over here, properly security, like people who man the ground like in police or something or like that. So whenever time something crop up, we take them time. By the time them get the police here, many people lose them life. This is not the first time. It is going on now. Every now and then you have a flow up of violence here in Meadowrest. Every now and then. I live close to here and it is like a nightmare.